Today we are hosting the Youth Land-Based event for our students. We have 10 stations that focus on a land-based activity with connections to math concepts and skills. The students make a connection to who they are and that they can be good mathematicians in this fun, safe learning environment.
And today we're going to be talking about Leonardo da Vinci's self-supporting bridge. So I created some kits for the kids. You need 15 popsicle sticks, some instructions, and then we also have a model of the bridge. No nails needed, no glue, no ties or ropes or anything. It's just a freestanding structure. If you take one of them off, the whole thing collapses.
Name's Alan Keeper. We're doing days and nights on the planets. These are some of the planets we're doing. Michael Lee's going to do the motion, the laws, Kepler's law. They measure the distance from the sun to the earth. So as all these other planets that are in the universe, in our galaxy, the Milky Way,
this one here is about concept called Pythagorean relations, and it's a concept that they needed it in grade 8, and from grade 8 onward, they needed it up to the grade 12 and even to university. It seems a very hard concept, but it's not. There's a lot of fun with measuring.
I'm helping Michael here with the station here about targeting, aiming, and probability.
What we have here is we're starting total physical response, and I picked up jiu-jitsu during my hockey career as just a way to be stronger on my base. Wanting to start doing this again for some animal walks and numbers. Another benefit of it is for my own physical fitness, helping some young students improve their own confidence and have a little bit of self-defense basics to look after themselves, and I think that's an important part.
So my station today is, what do you think is the best shape for the cell of a honeycomb? Did you know that to make 1 ounce of the wax, you need 8 ounces of the honey? Appreciate all the hard work that goes into things, right?
They don't think it's learning. That's why it's fun. Especially the stations that they're really enjoying right now. That's the best thing that the students loved, was the hands-on activities, because to them it's not learning, it's just having fun.